Hello everyone. The cold weather is making people excited for 2024's biggest and best Halloween trends. It feels like October is almost here. It may come as a surprise to learn that orange and black plastic ornaments are no longer used. The new Halloween styles for this year look classy, fun, and spooky-tastic. In this video, we will explore the Halloween decor ideas for 2024. 1. Switching up the color palette. The usual orange and black color scheme is going out the window in 2024 in favor of something more subdued. Kathy Kuo, a designer, says, "When it comes to decorating for fall, especially in October, I like to get ideas from nature instead of going for too many scary Halloween decorations. Not only do pumpkins come in orange, but they also come in other colors. I like the idea of decorating for Halloween with pumpkins and gourds in shades of white, teal, and pale yellow, and putting them with strange-looking items for a holiday look that feels like a cozy but fancy apothecary," she says. Elegant Halloween decorations are very popular this year, with searches going up 400% on Pinterest. This is because everyone wants to do something a little more classy in 2024. Even though this doesn't mean you have to make a few choices, try to stick to a color scheme and maybe hide the ugly ones. On the porch above, they took classy fall outdoor decor ideas and made them a little fancier for the holiday. You can use fancy Halloween decorations inside or outside for a table setting like this one, which features frosted glass pumpkins by Anthropology. The simple style and basic color scheme look great here. 2. Witchcraft. Another big trend is Halloween decor that looks magical and witchy. A few pumpkins and a maple leaf wreath look great with these black vine witch hats from Terrain to show how this trend can be worn simply. There are a lot of dreamlike figures and mythical themes in the Florence Balducci collaboration at Anthropology, which is part of the Anthropology Halloween collection. Making it look like candles are floating is a creative and popular TikTok trend way to make a beautiful show. Set up like in Harry Potter, this can look good in any room of the house, but it looks especially magical over the dinner table. 3. Harvest your Halloween decor. Or get pumpkin decorations from your garden or the garden store near you. The founder and chief designer of Amy Courtney Design, Amy Courtney, says that bare, creepy-looking branches and dark, gloomy flowers look beautiful together in planters. Use a smoke bush and big, strong planters to make the room feel dark and dramatic. Courtney suggests decorating your porch with gourds in shades of cream, sage, deep greens, and soft browns instead of the common but famous orange pumpkin. This will give your porch a more understated but still festive look. Four. Frighten with fantastical features this Halloween. Escape reality by making your favorite scary scenes and characters come to life. In 2024, the fantastical style is trendy because it fits with a larger cultural shift toward memories and fantasy. It appeals to people's desire for adventure, wonder, and the unknown. To use things like ancient forests, fairy circles, and epic tasks to create an otherworldly atmosphere. Deep green leaves, ivy that grows up walls, and rich textures that make you feel like you're in a magical forest. Toadstools, mushrooms, fairy dust, lights, and figurines of mythical animals can all be used to hint at a magical world. One thing is for sure. This trend mixes reality and fantasy, creating an immersive experience that sparks the mind and adds a magical touch to Halloween decorations. 5. Faux maple tree with autumn leaves. Bring out your Halloween and fall style with a seasonal tree. I finally bought this fake maple tree after looking at it for years. The burgundy leaves make the otherwise neutral color scheme stand out. In the picture above, I kept my scary decorations simple, but you could add paper bats or a black crow to your tree. In the evenings, you can use battery-powered LED spotlights to light it up. 6. Beetlejuice. Whether you're a major Tim Burton fan or just adore monochromatic, including Beetlejuice core, as they call it, into your Halloween decor this year will seem fresh and on trend. Stripes, eerily exquisite black pumpkins, skulls, and eerie candelabras are all must-haves. Consider adding a splash of lime green for a punch of brightness. 7. Haunted minimalism. Minimalist Halloween decor is growing fashionable in 2024, providing a sleek, modern approach to commemorate the macabre season. The goal is to use fewer decorations while creating a large effect with clean, crisp elements. Consider basic black lanterns, white skulls, and monochrome sets. Black candles in elegant holders, along with a few statement objects such as scary photographs or simple ghostly figurines, can result in a hauntingly beautiful yet minimalist style. This style is ideal for people seeking a refined Halloween look without going excessive. 8. Eco-friendly Halloween decorations. Sustainability is a major trend this year, and Halloween decor is no exception. Many people are choosing an eco-friendly decor by reusing materials or making DIY crafts from discarded items. Instead of plastic pumpkins and decorations, consider using biodegradable materials like hay and paper, as well as natural components like dried flowers, branches, and leaves. Reusable LED candles and solar-powered lights are also excellent ways to make your Halloween display more energy efficient while still looking festive and frightful. This trend benefits the environment and provides a personal, handmade touch to your home decor. In 2024, Halloween decor will focus on beauty, originality, and a hint of spooky enchantment. This year's trends allow for both simple and fantasy approaches, from experimenting with new color palettes to adopting eco-friendly materials. Whether you're decorating with elegant pumpkins, creating a witchy ambiance, or channeling a Beetlejuice-inspired feel, there's something for everyone. Combining nature, fantasy, and sustainable techniques provides depth and meaning to your holiday decorations. And tell us about your favorite Halloween decor trends in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating ideas. Share this video with your friends.